Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Thai vocabulary with Beelinguapp full guide. Start by downloading the Beelinguapp from your app store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen to explore available languages. Select Thai as your target language. Next, choose a text or story that interests you. Once you've chosen a text, take a moment to read the Thai version. Listen to the audio that accompanies the text to improve pronunciation and comprehension. As you read, highlight any unfamiliar words or phrases. Use the built-in dictionary feature to look up these words. Make notes of the meanings and example sentences provided. After understanding the vocabulary, try reading the text again without the dictionary. Repeat the process with new stories to gradually expand your vocabulary. Utilize the flashcard feature for effective memorization of the words you've highlighted. Review your flashcards regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Challenge yourself by selecting more difficult texts as you progress. Engage with the community features in the app, if available, to practice with other learners. Lastly, set a daily or weekly goal for your vocabulary practice to stay consistent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.